What's going on, guys? I am Fuller. You usually don't see me on this channel because I'm usually on custom offsets, but today I'm joined by Corey and Claire from Fitment Industries, and we're going to be reviewing your cars from the gallery. So to jump right into it, our first car is one that everybody knows. It's a 2005 Subaru WRX STI, sitting on Work in Motion CR Kiwamis. Is that how you pronounce that, Corey?
That's how I pronounce it.
All right. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 38s, and he's got Nitto Invo 225 40s and riding on Tane coilovers, as Alex would call it. So my quick opinion on this thing, I do really like how the wheel fitment is. He's sitting basically perfectly flush, and I like that there's not a whole lot of camber because it is an all-wheel drive car and it's a Subaru and it's meant to be rallied, though these aren't that aggressive of tires.
Yeah, I would have to agree with Fuller. Looking at it, the engine bay in this picture at least looks very actually physically clean, so I can appreciate that.
If you read the mods, he's got a ton of stuff on this thing. Yeah.
I can definitely appreciate that. I like that it's nice and clean and not, I don't want to say like a lot of Subaru owners make their cars. But a lot of them wreck them, and this one is very clean. It's nice and flush. Like Fuller also said, pretty good.
It doesn't fit like the typical Subaru stereotype.
Right, exactly.
I can't wait for this.
I can't either.
I mean, I like it. I like how the engine bay is clean, as Claire said. Yeah, it's clean. It's just kind of plain.
All right.
It's a silver car with white wheels.
So let's rate it then. Scale of 0 to 10. 3, 2, 1, 8.
5.
6 and
You have to go at the same time.
I was like...
4, car number 2, we have a 2012 Audi A5 Quattro sitting on the Rohana RC7s, 20 by 11 plus 28 square. And he's running some Falcon tires on here, 275 30s, and it's on airlift. Okay, I really like this car, but that's probably because I have a soft spot for anything from Germany, BMW, Audi, etc. And it's cool that he's running 11 wides square. This is an all-wheel drive car, so I'm sure he was like, I gotta be square. And his fitment is like perfect in the rear.
Yeah, I really like it. At first glance, it's really clean, black on black, which I really do like. Does it say I have the mods down here? He's got a decent amount of stuff done to it too, which I can appreciate.
It's a diesel.
Oh.
It's a diesel, but an S-line. That's
wow,
cool.
That is really cool. And I really like Rohanas, so it's got that going for it too.
So you look awesome, you get good fuel mileage.
Yeah, so I like it a lot, because if I saw this guy going down the road, I'd be like, that dude is a gangster. He's got his priorities straight. Like 100%. You could not look at this car and look away easily.
That's a head
very
turner.
sharp.
Yeah, definitely.
You'd be like,
that's what I was going for. I love that it's on air, because air is way too cool for me to afford it. So I always appreciate cars on air. And yeah, just rear fitment, crispy. I love it.
All right, so let's give it a number then. 3, 2, 1, 9.
9.
Ooh, tied up with Corey on the 9s. You gave it an 8.
Yes.
I feel bad giving people 9s because they're so close to being a 10, but I want to save that 10 for a perfect car.
Yeah.
True.
3-piece wheels on that thing, you would have had me.
Would have had it.
Oh.
Baby.
Okay.
All right, this is 1958 Volkswagen Beetle. Little known fact, I had one. Not quite this nice though. Limebug GT35. The fronts are 17 by 8 plus 5, and the rear is 17 by 9 plus 20. Staggered, that's cool. Some Federal 595 Evos, 195/40 and 215/45, and it's on lowering springs. The first thing that I like is just the patina paint job. So I'm sure it's probably original paint that they just roughed up a little bit, but it looks awesome. And for being a Volkswagen Beetle, he's got his fitment dialed in, because these things came with stock wheels like 6 inches inside the fenders. Oh wow! He's got the daily driver mod. Engine and trans fully built, makes under 200 horsepower, just under at the flywheel, and it eats Hondas 3 times a day.
Oh.
That's what it says. That's what it says.
Just 3.
And did require some metal trimming, so the headlight buckets were shaved to allow him to fit these wheels and tires. So he knows what he's doing.
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's different. I have a soft spot for these things. I'm not really sure why at all, but I do. It's really cool. I mean, Fuller pretty much said it all. It does look like he knows what he's doing, and it looks great.
So I like how he didn't just cut the springs like you can do on a lot of these old cars.
Yeah.
The wheels are banging. It looks like they're 3-piece. I think they're genuine 3-piece too. Yeah, so overall I think it's just a really cool car. I like the teal, I like the patina. I like how it's a rust-free car.
So we'll give it a number then on the count of 3.
Wait, hang on, I need to think about this one.
Okay, all right.
I need to let this one sit in.
3, 2, 1, 9.9.
8.25.
What?
8.25, 9.9,
9.
and 9. So we're all rating it pretty high.
8.25.
Why 8.25?
Why 2.5? Why not just like 8.5?
I don't know, there's something, it's just a little too stock-ish looking. Like the wheels.
Have you seen a stock 58?
Well, I have, but like the wheels look stock-ish. Like they're giant hubcaps, basically. Like, yeah, they're really cool 3-piece wheels. And like, I like the OEM Plus that he was going for. It looks like it just could have rolled off the line in like 58, but I don't know. I'm a bit over the top, I guess you could say.
So we have a 2010 BMW M3. This is the E92 because it's a sedan.
No.
So this would be
E90. I thought it was a coupe.
Yeah, see, that's why you just jumped in there. So it's an E90. This was the last generation M3, which came with the V8, which is also why I love this car so much. DOS FF2 18 by 9.5 plus 25s all the way around, and some tires I've never heard of, 275 35s, sitting on Megan Racing lowering springs.
We sell those tires.
Yes, we do.
Fitmentindustries.com/wheels.
My thoughts on this car, I like this setup, but it's not the same as what like we typically see or review, or what we've been looking at anyway. It's kind of more like a track-based setup where he's got some meat on there and they're not like sticking out so far. He's got some photos that looks like could be Tail of the Dragon or just some other curvy road, which are pretty sweet.
Yeah, I like it. I like these cars, so obviously I'm gonna like it, and I really do like the color. It's just a little, I don't know, I don't want to say boring. I would say a little plain for my taste, if you know what I mean. Makes sense? But if he like uses it like it looks like he does in this picture, then I can definitely appreciate that part of it. But the car itself is a little plain for my taste.
Yeah, it's definitely a driver's car, and I
Yeah.
think he kind of went with that in mind when he bought the wheels and tires.
All right, so you went with the performance looks. Killed it there.
That's all you got to say. All right, let's just go right to the numbers then. So we'll count it down again. 3, 2, 1, 6.
4.5.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we're all a little bit on the lower side, and I think for me, it's because of kind of what you said. He went for the performance look, but these aren't super sticky tires. And then it's got Megan Racing lowering springs. And like BMW stuck a ton of money in engineering and suspension, and then you put Megan Racing lowering springs on it, and I feel like you probably didn't improve it.
The M3 comes stock with Michelin Super Sports. Yeah, and they're no longer there. So yeah, hi. But I really like that he was nailing some curves in the pictures, so he clearly uses
He's
it.
driving.
That was I like that.
I'm just a little confused at the approach.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Connor, just being mean to us now.
Okay.
Well, I think that is enough cars for today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure if you want to have us review your car, you add yours to the Fitment Industries gallery. You can probably go to fitmentindustries.com/ad.
Yes.
And do it there, and then drop your link below in the comments, and we will maybe feature you on our next episode. I probably won't be back. I think Alex will be back.
I might be back. He won't be back. I don't know about Corey.
We're not sure who's gonna be back. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube. Peace.